How to fix activation failed on Viber. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily fix if you're having trouble with activation or logging in to your Viber account. First off, you're going to have to open it up and click on Start Now. Now all you have to do here is provide your phone number and they'll send you an SMS code. But if you're not getting any code, then make sure that you don't have VPN connected. As you can see here on top of my screen, right besides the Wi-Fi logo, I have a little key icon, meaning that I have VPN connected. So let me just go ahead and quickly turn that off. I'll just go to my VPN application and then turn off the VPN. Alright, so once you make sure you do that, you should be able to log back into your Viber account without any problem. So I'll just head over to Viber. Enter your country code, enter your phone number, and you should be able to sign in without any problem. The next step is to clear its cache. Long press on the Viber app, click on the eye icon to go to App Info. Once App Info is open, you can just go to the storage section down below and then click on Clear Cache. If you want, you could also try to clear all of its data and then go to Permissions. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed for the application to run smoothly. And finally, you can just go ahead and change the defaults in the app. Go to Set as Defaults. Make sure that if there are any defaults set on the app, you want to clear that. And finally, you can go to Battery. Make sure it's set to Unrestricted or Optimize. You can also try to force stop the app because if there's something going on in the background that might be causing the issue to log in, it's going to completely stop that and your app should start working normally again. So that is about it, guys. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you guys in the next one.